Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Spotify not working. To know how to fix Spotify not working, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you will find this page, you will enter to the window of Spotify. You will find it here in this list and we click. Then this page of app info, we click on force stop. You click OK, then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will watch 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.